Alert others in the vicinity by activating the fire alarm system or verbally notifying them of the fire. Select the right fire extinguisher. Identify the appropriate type of fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are classified based on the type of fire they can effectively extinguish, such as Class A, ordinary combustibles like wood or paper; Class B, flammable liquids; Class C, electrical fires; or Class K, cooking oil or fat fires. Look for the appropriate extinguisher based on the specific fire involved. Remember the acronym PASS. Pull the pin or safety clip located on the extinguisher handle. Aim low. Aim the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. Do not aim at the flames themselves. Squeeze the handle. Firmly squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Sweep side to side. Sweep the extinguisher from side to side, covering the base of the fire until it is extinguished. Continue to monitor the area to ensure the fire does not reignite. Evacuate if necessary. If you are unable to extinguish the fire or it starts to spread, evacuate the area immediately, closing doors behind you to contain the fire. Call emergency services. Even if you believe you have extinguished the fire,